Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop or tablet port supports the hub's functions, data, video, or PD. Once done, attach the USB-C cable to the hub and the host. Make sure the cable is fully seated. If your hub has a PD input, connect the charger now to power peripherals. You should update your system and close unneeded apps so bandwidth and power are stable. This avoids device negotiation errors and speeds initial device detection. You next plug peripherals in a logical order, storage first, then input devices, followed by Ethernet and displays, to reduce bus renegotiation. Make sure to choose the right display mode, mirror or extend. Check your host's spec to decide 4K at 30 versus 60 Hz. Once connected, open network and sound settings to verify Ethernet link and audio output. If a device doesn't appear, try another hub port. Many hubs enumerate devices differently, and a simple switch resolves conflicts. You finish by safely ejecting drives and then disconnecting the hub when work is done. This prevents file corruption. If something acts up, power cycle the hub, unplug both PD and the host connection, wait about 10 seconds, then reconnect. This resets internal hubs. Make sure you try a different USB-C cable and another host to isolate hardware issues, and check for firmware updates from Anker. One key tip: a faulty cable or insufficient PD wattage is the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.